So children, there are five kinds of sentences. So what are those? Some examples of sentences are given in your book. Like here you can see, MS Dhoni was declared the man of the match. So here some information is being given to you. Okay, some information. So this type of sentences which gives you some information about someone, about anything, जो भी हमें कुछ किसी के बारे में कुछ information मिलती है, कुछ news मिलती है, so that type of sentences are called simple sentences, statements, or you can say assertive sentences. The proper name in grammar we use is assertive sentences. So here this sentence is telling about MS Dhoni that he was declared the man of the match. So it is giving us some information about Dhoni. So this is an assertive sentence. Next, where do you live? If a question mark, you all know very nicely that if a question mark comes at the end, so that is a question sentence, that is interrogative sentence. Okay. Then obey the elders. Here giving you some advice. This sentence is telling you to do something. It is giving you some good advice. Obey the elders. So these type of sentences which give us some advice or which tells us to do something. It can be like a request or it can be giving an order. It can be like giving some advice. So those type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Like obey the elders is giving you advice. Then the next one, Roy, open the gate. This is like giving an order to someone to do something. This one you're giving an order to Roy to open the gate. So these type of sentences which gives order, in which you make a request to someone, like please, you can also tell please open the gate, or you are giving some advice, obey the elders. So these type of sentences are called imperative sentences which tells someone to do something. Then what a beautiful weather. So here it is describing the weather, and you see it is beginning with a question word what, but it is ending with an exclamation mark. So these type of sentences, you are expressing your feelings in this sentence that the weather is beautiful. So these type of sentences in which you express your feelings, you express your emotions, you express your happiness, or when you express some sad feelings also. Okay, any type of emotions it can be. It can be of happiness, it can be of sadness, or it can be when you are in pain something, or when you are describing something which is very beautiful, which you like very much. So these type of sentences which express strong feelings or emotions or sudden जो आपके mind में आता है, तो those type of sentences, those group of words you can say which are used to express those sudden feelings, emotions, those are called exclamatory sentences, and they end with an exclamation mark. Then the next one you can see, may you live long. This also ends with an exclamation mark, but this is not an exclamatory sentence. You are not expressing any feelings. This is, you are like making a prayer for someone, you wish. Okay, you are making a wish for someone, you wish for someone that may he live long, or you are praying for someone that may you live long. So these type of sentences in which you make a prayer, you wish for someone for something, so those type of sentences are called optative sentences, and these optative sentences usually begin with the word may. Okay, usually they begin with the word may. So these sentences, they tell us different things. Okay, like the first sentence, Dhoni was declared the man of the match. It gives a statement. It is giving some information. And where do you live? The second sentence is asking a question. Then the third sentence is giving advice, obey the elders. Then the next sentence, Roy, open the gate. You are giving an order to someone to do something. Then, what a beautiful weather. The fifth sentence expresses sudden feelings. And the next, the last one, the sixth one expresses our wish. This is a wish that may you live long, may you get well soon. So these sentences are of different types. So now we will go to the different types of sentences in a bit more detail now. The first one, that is assertive sentences, which makes a simple statement which gives you some information about someone or something. A sentence that gives some statement is called an assertive sentence. It can be affirmative or negative. So what is the meaning of affirmative or negative? Affirmative means that is something positive, and negative is something negative information. When you get something like he is not feeling well, okay, so this you are giving information, but it is some negative type of information that he is not feeling well. So these type of sentences in which we use some negative words like no, not, never, doesn't, hasn't. So these type of sentences which use some negative words, okay, like no, not, never. So these type of sentences are called negative sentences, and affirmative which gives some positive information. Like you see the example, Delhi is the capital of India. So this is giving you just some information that Delhi is our capital. Then the next sentence, Shivani does not sing well. So this sentence is also giving information about Shivani, but a negative information. Okay, she does not sing well. So when we use words like no, not, never in a sentence, that is giving some information. So that is called a negative sentence. Okay. An affirmative sentence affirms, that means it gives you some positive information, whereas a negative sentence negates. Negates means giving you some negative information, that is called a negative sentence. Then come to the next type, second, interrogative sentence. You see, interrogative sentences, they begin with a question word, okay, but not always. Usually they begin with a question word, okay, that is WH words. Usually WH words that begin with question like who, why, what, where, which. These are all some words which begin with WH, and they are called question words. Okay, usually an interrogative sentence begins with WH words, that are question words. Okay, a sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence, which asks you a question, and interrogative sentences can have a WH question or a yes or no question. That yes or no questions begin with verbs. Okay, it begins with a helping verb or the main verb. Like here you can see the two examples are given. First one, why were you absent yesterday? So here it begins with a WH word, why. So here the answer will be anything. You can say that I was not feeling well, or I was out of station, anything. But you see the second sentence, do you love Italian food? So the answer will be either yes or no. Yes, I love Italian food, or no, I don't like Italian food. So here the answer will be yes or no. And here you can see that it begins with do. Okay, do is a verb. So usually you see the interrogative sentences, it can begin with WH words, or it can begin with a verb also, like are you not feeling well today? Are you going somewhere outside today? So these begin with a helping verb. Are is a helping verb. Is this your email ID? So here it begins with is. Okay. So these type of sentences are called interrogative sentences, and the end mark will be a question mark. So the answer to the first question, like why were you absent yesterday, will be some statement. But the answer to the second question, do you love Italian food, will be either yes or no. So an interrogative sentence generally begins with a question word, but not always. Keep in mind, not always. It generally begins with a question word and ends with a mark of interrogation or a question mark. So this is called a question mark, or you can also call it an interrogation mark. Then the third type of sentence is imperative sentence. So an imperative sentence is that sentence that expresses some request. When you make a request someone to do something, or you give an order to someone to do something, or you're giving advice or some instruction. So these type of sentences are called imperative sentences. And an imperative sentence generally begins with a verb. You see, the imperative sentences when we are using, when you are speaking to someone who is in front of you. So it is not necessary that you use the name. You can simply tell, stand up. Okay, it begins. So here stand is the verb. It can be both affirmative and negative.
मैम
So imperative
वो दोनों
sentences
चैटिंग कर रहे
also
हैं.
can be both yes, I can see everything. So they can be both imperative sentences can be both affirmative or it can be also negative. Like you can say, do not make a noise, do not chat in the class. So this is negative sentence, okay, which is telling someone to not to do something. Okay, let us play chess instead. So this is like
हमारी
giving a suggestion to
सोसाइटी
someone or
सोसाइटी सेंटेंस
giving
का स्टूडेंट है.
advice to someone. And then this is like you can say another one is given, please help me. So this is when you use words like please, so that means you are making request. Whenever you make a request to someone to do something, request in a polite way. So please, we use the word please. So that is a type of request. And when you are giving some command, you don't use anything, simply you just give like an order, stand up, go and get me a glass of water. Or you can use it or when you make it a request, you can say please stand up, please get me a glass of water. Okay, and instruction like do not make noise. So this is a negative type of instruction. Okay, you are giving not to do something. Then come to the exclamatory sentence in which you express feelings. A sentence that expresses some sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. So these sentences end with an exclamation mark. So like you can see, what a beautiful flower. Okay, so we are expressing our feelings. When we see a beautiful flower, suddenly हमारे मुंह से निकलता है, what a beautiful flower, what a beautiful painting, what a beautiful dress. Okay, how nice the painting is. So here you see how it is and what. See the first words of these sentences, they are actually the question words. Okay, what, how, these are usually the words which show some questions, but here they are used as an in the exclamatory sentences. So these question words can also be used in exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful flower, or you can add it then it is, what a beautiful flower it is, how nice the painting is. So you see the ending, it ends usually with a helping verb. Okay, what a beautiful flower. Yes. So here you see the ending, okay, of an exclamatory sentence. It can be a helping verb. What a beautiful flower it is. So is a helping verb. How nice the painting is. Here it is a helping verb. Then come to the next. I think this is new for you. Optative sentence. You have not read about this in your earlier classes. So a sentence that is used to express our wish, prayer और anger is an optative sentence. जब हम किसी के लिए कोई wish करते हैं, may you get well soon, may God bless you. So these are some wish और prayer करते हैं जब हम किसी के लिए, okay. Or anger also when you are expressing your anger. So that type of sentences are called optative sentences. And these sentences usually begin with the word may. May God help him. May you go to dogs. May you be blessed with a son. May God bless you. So these are some examples of optative sentences. Now come to the exercise. Okay. So you have to identify the type of sentence and you have to write their names alongside. So some sentences will be very easy wherever you get a question mark. So you come to
एक्सक्यूज
know
मी
that this
मैम.
is an interrogative sentence. Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
So
मैम
the
इसको
first
साथ
one.
साथ कर सकते हैं.
Beta, you cannot do that in proper handwriting. No, then do it later properly in good handwriting. Okay, the PDF will be sent. So whenever there is a question mark at the end, you come to know that that is an interrogative sentence. But then problem comes with wherever there is a full stop or exclamation mark. So exclamation mark sentences, it can be optative sentences also or they can be exclamatory sentences also. and when it's ending with a full stop, it can be an assertive sentence or it can be an imperative sentence also. So read your lessons carefully. In this, you are telling someone to do something, giving some advice, no, to read the lessons carefully. So this type of sentence, this is an imperative sentence. What makes you so happy? Question mark is there. So interrogative sentence. Rahul does not love painting. So here this is a negative sentence, affirmative sentence, okay, but a negative one. What a fool you are. So here this is exclamatory sentence, okay. Have you taken your meal? Question mark is there, so that is an interrogative sentence. How cold the night is, expressing your feelings, so exclamatory sentence. Gandhiji still rules Indian hearts, so this is giving you information about Gandhiji, assertive sentence. Why are you afraid of lizards? So this is asking a question, interrogative sentence. Virat Kohli is a great batsman. It is giving information. So assertive sentence. Please open the gate. So you are making a request. Please open the gate. So this is imperative sentence. Okay, you are making a request. Then here some sentences are given. You have to make them negative. Exercise L. Make the following sentences negative. So negative I told you where you have to use words like no, not, never, didn't, hasn't. Okay, such type of words when we use they are called negative sentences. And these words must be there in the sentence. Negative sentences that doesn't mean कि आप उसको opposite लिखना है. Like first when you see Anita loves reading stories, so you can make it like this: Anita hates reading stories. No, that is wrong. Okay, although the meaning has changed to negative, that Anita, she doesn't love reading stories, but the word no, not, never, these type of words must be included in the sentence. So this how you will make: Anita doesn't love reading stories. Okay, Anita doesn't love reading stories. So here no, not, this type of words must be there in the sentence. The next, these books are expensive. So these books are not expensive. Stark is a good bowler. Stark, you all might be watching then. He is an Australian bowler. So Stark is not a good bowler. When you make it negative, it will be Stark is not a good bowler. Did you go to the theater last night? So here you can make didn't you go to the theater last night? So you are asking a question here in a negative way. Okay, didn't you go to the theater last night? I have done my homework. So I have not done my homework. Has it stopped raining? You can make hasn't it stopped raining or has it not stopped raining. Both are correct. In the seventh sentence, here the question mark is given. You have to correct it in your textbook. Okay, put a full stop here, not a question mark. What you say is true. Okay, although it is beginning with what, but this is not a question. So put a full stop here. So what you say is not true. Who knows the name of Gandhi? So who doesn't know the name of Gandhi? Come here daily. So don't come here daily. Shivani sings well. So Shivani does not sing well or Shivani doesn't sing well. Then come to the next exercise. Roy and Pritam are playing 10
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
questions game. So you have to circle the correct word. Yes,
मैम मेरी फोन की बैटरी डेड हो गई।
you have to keep your phone charged properly fully before the class. Okay.
ओके मैम।
Now use a power bank. If you have a power bank, use that power bank. Yes. Then we come to here. Here two words are given, question words. So you have to choose which is the correct word which you will use to make a proper question sentence. Okay, proper interrogative sentence. Which or where is the Eiffel Tower? So where is the Eiffel Tower? It is in Paris. No? Now next. Which or where is the capital of Australia? So which is the capital of Australia? It's Canberra. The next, what or which comes before the month of February? So what comes before the month of February? Next, who was John F. Kennedy? Not which, okay, who? He was the 35th president of America, I think you all know, and the youngest president also of America. Then next fifth one, what is an e-book? Not where, okay, what is an e-book? Next, who was the first Indian to win a gold medal at the
Who?
Olympics? Was Abhinav Bindra. Huh?
इसमें
Who was
Who
the
I
first?
can answer?
Yes, who? Who was the first Indian to win a gold medal at the Olympics?
excuse me,
Then next, when did the First World War end? So when did the First World War end?
excuse
Not
me,
what.
मैम
Yes,
मैम ये सब डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं चैट बॉक्स में.
Beta, you just don't look
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
chat box, huh? You just pin where I am teaching.
ओके
Okay.
मैम बीच
Next one, eighth one. How do you open your computer system? What is the height of the Petronas towers? That is in Malaysia, no?
What?
Very high. These are the twin towers of Petronas, very high towers. Who is that telling bye from now? It's now 180, no? 130. Those who want to go, then do not disturb others. The next, when did India get its independence? Okay, then come to exercise N. You have to write it in the proper order. These are jumbled. Okay, you have to use like first letter should be capital and arrange these words properly and make proper sentence. So, do I not teach better? So, you have to make don't I teach better, and this is a question. So, put a question mark at the end. The next, life is not a bed of roses. Remember to begin with a capital letter and put an end mark at the end. Okay. When did you last? When did you see him last? The next, what a beautiful day. So this end mark should be a exclamation mark. Okay, not a question mark. So here you will put an exclamation mark. What a beautiful day. Okay, you are expressing feelings. Now, pollution is a big problem. Man is the maker of his fate. Next, what a fool I am. This is also an exclamatory sentence. Okay, here again you have to put an exclamatory mark. Okay, what a fool I am. The next, where did you find this new watch? Next, take care of your health. This is our drawing room. Okay. Now you have to change these sentences into assertive. So here some interrogative sentences are given and some exclamatory sentences are given, and you have to change them into assertive sentences. That means it can be both giving some positive or some negative. Also it can be both. It can be affirmative or it can be negative. Anything. What a beautiful scene. So it is a beautiful scene. Just giving some information, it is a beautiful scene. How clever I am. So I am very clever. जहाँ पे how आ जाता है, wherever how comes, you have to use very. I am very clever. You see here at the end में जो आया है I am. So that you have to bring it in the beginning. Okay, that is a pronoun. I am
I
very
am
clever.
very
Now next,
foolish.
how foolish I have been. So begin with again I. I have been, and how foolish की जगह very foolish. I have been very foolish. How cold the night is. The night
The night
is
is very
very
cold.
cold. What a terrible storm it is. So it is a terrible storm, or it is a the storm is too terrible also you can make. He has had his dinner. So here you will make has Has he had his dinner? So he has had his dinner. Do we have
Excuse me,
anything to
ma'am.
fall back upon? Yes, we don't have
असर्टिव
anything
का
to
समझ
fall
नहीं
back
आया
upon. Which one? Which one you did not understand?
हम असर्टिव सेंटेंस पे समझ नहीं आया अच्छे से
Assertive sentences which are giving you some information दे रहे हैं वो आपको, और वो information it can be both affirmative मतलब positive news भी हो सकती है, कुछ negative भी हो सकता है उसमें. So here like you see in the question number 7 we are giving some negative, we don't have anything to fall back upon. Okay, and this first sentence you see what a beautiful scene. So it is a beautiful scene. So here we are giving some information दे रहे हैं हम इसमें. Okay, when we
ओके
give
मैम
any information, जब हम कुछ बताते हैं किसी के बारे में, it can be about any person, it can be about anything, we are describing something. Okay, so that type of sentences को assertive sentences बोलते हैं. I am very clever, तो इसमें आप अपने बारे में बता रहे हो, अपने बारे में कुछ information that I am very clever. I have been very foolish, the night is very cold, night के बारे में बता रहे हो कि वो night कैसी है. The storm is too terrible. Okay, clear?
ओके
So
मैम
when you are giving information, जब आप कुछ बता रहे हैं किसी के बारे में. Now next eighth one. Has she done well? So she has done
शी
well.
हैज
तो
डन
ये हम
वेल
बता रहे हैं कि उसने अच्छा
शी
काम
हैज
किया.
डन वेल
Can we wait here any longer? So क्वेश्चन है तो इसको हम नेगेटिव बना लेते हैं. We can't wait here any longer. So इसमें भी हम इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं कि हम ज़्यादा देर वेट नहीं कर सकते. We can't wait any longer. Did we try
मैम
hard?
कई
तो इसमें
बच्चे
भी हम
एक दूसरे
नेगेटिव
से
बना
बातें कर
सकते
रहे
हैं.
हैं मैम
We
चैटिंग
We
can
में
try
didn't
hard.
try. We did not try hard. Okay. Beta, ignore them. Just concentrate on what I am teaching. Okay. Now the last exercise here. Some questions. There are two columns are given. In one first column questions are given, and in the second A and B column possible answers. So two possible answers might be, one is positive affirmative and one is the negative one. Okay. Like
मैम
who
मैचिंग
won
करनी
the
है
match
इसमें
example. No, no. Your questions are given. You have to complete this table. Okay. Like question is asked, you see here, who won the match? So you have to give two possible answers. So Australia won the match or the match was draw. Anything you can. Okay. Two possible answers you have to give. And somewhere might be answer दिया हुआ है. You have to make the question. Okay. Like here second one. When are you going to Goa? So you can write the answer. What you will write the answer? I am going to Goa next week, or I am not going to Goa. Anything you can write, whatever you want. I have cancelled my trip. One is given.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Then which is yes,
मैम सम स्टूडेंट्स वर द क्रिएटिंग द डिस्टर्बेंस
yes, I can see. But this is the last exercise. Okay, let us just complete the chapter now.
ओके
Which
मैम
is your
Okay,
favorite
ma'am.
movie? So here question hai, which is your favorite movie? So you can give the answer, I don't like watching movies, or you can write the name of any movie. I love Harry Potter. Okay, like one answer is given in your book. I love Rang De Basanti. So you can also write anything. Okay, like it's not necessary ki what I have given you write. But the sentence you should, whatever you are framing, should be proper sentence. Okay. I don't like watching movies I have given. Okay, so you can write also I like Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter. Okay. Then did he cross the road running? So here first answer is given yes, he did cross the road running. So next let us make a negative sentence. No, he did not cross the road running. So whenever you are using yes या no, तो always remember उसके बाद comma आता है. Okay, whenever you are writing yes या no, always put a comma after that. Next, do you like to watch theater? So here theater means where you watch plays, okay, dramas जहाँ पे होते हैं, that is called a theater here. So yes, I do like to watch theater, or no, I prefer to watch musical concerts. Next one, does Rohan like to read books? So yes, his favorite author is J.K. Rowling, or we can make a negative one. No, he doesn't like to read books. Then seventh one answer is given. You have to frame a question. I have kept the books on the shelf. So this is the answer. So why the question you can make is where have you kept the books. So another answer you can give is I have kept the books on the table or on your table, anything. Now last one, did you enjoy the meal at lunch? So one answer is given, yes, it was very tasty, or you can say no, it was very spicy. Okay, that is a negative answer then. No, it was very spicy. Okay. Now children, if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, in K option, third
No,
one.
ma'am. Ma'am, affirmative
Case third
sentence.
one.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify the type of sentence and write their names. No, Rahul does not love painting. So here it is giving you some information about Rahul, ना कि राहुल को पेंटिंग पसंद नहीं है. So it will be an
Ma'am, but
assertive sentence.
yes, ma'am, but
It is a negative one, but
Excuse me,
मैम
ma'am.
आई हैव क्वेश्चन
Ma'am,
हमारे
I have a
yes.
ma'am.
सारी टाइपिंग कर रहा है
Optative sentence को मैम feeling के बारे में है. मैम optative
Affirmative
sentence.
sentence, that is okay, that is an optative sentence जिसमें usually may word से शुरू होता है बेटा, जिसमें आप किसी के लिए कोई wish करते हैं, may you get well soon, may your exams go on well. Okay, such type of sentence जिसमें आप may word से शुरू करते हैं, किसी के लिए कोई wish करते हैं, कोई prayer
Sentence को
करते हैं
मैम
किसी के
feeling
लिए.
होती
So
है.
those type of sentences are called optative sentences.
ओके
मैम,
मैम
इसमें फीलिंग के बारे में बताया जाता है.
Affirmative.
It can be like angry, गुस्से वाली feelings. Okay, जब आप गुस्से में किसी
मैम
को
आई हैव
बोलते हैं ना.
क्वेश्चन
Yes.
Ma'am, affirmative.
मैम ये ओ
Affirmative
पार्ट
can be
में
two types.
मैम फिफ्थ मैम ओ पार्ट
Okay,
में
ma'am.
फिफ्थ मैम आई हैव
Assertive
आल्सो
sentence.
क्वेरी बाय मैम
Yes,
Bye,
beta.
ma'am.
बाय मैम
Beta, quietly leave the class. Those who do not have any
Bye,
doubt,
ma'am.
so that others
बाय
can
मैम
ask their doubt. Huh?
Bye,
Beta, leave the
ma'am.
class quietly.
Bye, ma'am.
Leave the
बाय
class
मैम
quietly.
बाय मैम